Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find and copy your USDT ERC20 address on Coinbase Wallet. Now with the latest update, a lot of things has changed in the interface of Coinbase Wallet. Generally, whenever you were using Coinbase Wallet and launching it, you will be able to see a buy, sell and cash out option on the home page. But now as you can see that all of those options have been removed over here, and now in order to find it you need to tap on your profile icon that would be in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you will be able to find buy, swap and cash out options. Now once you are on this page in your Coinbase wallet, you need to tap on this copy icon which would be just before this gear icon. So after tapping on it, you will be able to see the receiving assets including Ethereum. So you just have to copy the Ethereum address, and this is basically your ERC20 address which you can use in order to deposit your Ethereum into Coinbase wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.